Watch AI create a website traffic and engagement dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our data file. The import is complete in seconds. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our traffic data, identifying key patterns and metrics. It's automatically determining the best visualizations for website performance tracking. The AI is creating charts for traffic sources, engagement metrics, page analytics, and visitor trends. It's building a comprehensive table showing detailed page engagement statistics. Our website traffic and engagement dashboard is now complete with 5 interactive charts and 1 detailed table. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view eliminates distractions and highlights key insights. Perfect for executive presentations and client reports. The clean interface keeps focus on your data story. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every element. Each visualization is fully customizable and responds to user interactions. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.